Hey guys, welcome back to Adrian's Planet. Today we are going to open a Kiwi Co crate. This was for Juju and we're going to show you guys if it's worth it. Kiwi Co offers boxes for all ages. This one is the Koala crate and it's aimed for ages from 2 to 4.
My name's Julian and I'm 4.
If you want to see more Kiwi Co crates for ages like my age, like this video and leave a comment down below.
This one is the rainbow crate. It's all about rainbows.
With this crate, we're going to learn all about rainbows, and there's 3 little activities in this box. Now let's get started. What do we have in here? We have a magazine that says rainbows here, and we have some supplies. Ooh. We have some clouds, a rainbow, some sheets, and well, we know that's a bag. So normally these crates are about $23. We got our first crate for only $12.
Whoa.
This shows all the different activities you can do. Stained glass art, rainbow tote bag, and a cloud pillow. Let's do the stained glass.
Yeah, let's do stained glass.
First, find the black frame. First step, peel the yellow backing off the black frame to reveal a sticky sheet. So let's do that first. We're going to peel these off, because that's what the first step says.
I need rainbows. Oh, this is the...
Second step, punch out all the black shapes. Okay, I'll do it. Do you want to push them out? Go ahead. Arrange the black shapes to create a scene on the sticky sheet.
This is my art.
This is our cat. Juju named him Kitty Moonshadows, and we rescued her. Step number 4. Cover the rest of the rainbow sticky sheet with rainbow squares.
It's all one.
This color is turquoise. This color is turquoise.
This color is green. This color is green.
This one's turquoise. This color is turquoise. This one is turquoise.
This is blue.
And this one is turquoise.
You want it in so far.
And then we have another orange.
Oh, yeah.
Peel the white backing of the clear sticky sheet. Then stick it on top of the rainbow square. Step number 6. Turn your stained glass art around to see your rainbow scene. Ooh, that's cool. Let's go see it in the sun.
I know rainbows have different colors. Purple? What? I'm purple.
Sure.
I'm pink. I'm green. I'm blue. And white. Can see them in the water in the breaker, guy, and then I show for several bubbles. And sometimes there could be a double rainbow.
I know that,
Do you know how rainbows are formed?
I know, but I forgot. Before you see a rainbow, there has to be water in the air. So usually after rain. Then the sunshine shines on the water that's in the air. The sunshine bounces through the water in the air and makes a rainbow in the sky. When the rain goes away or the sun stops shining, the rainbow goes away too.
Update time! We did another project. This is my quote pile. This is my tote bag I made.
What'd you think of the koala crate?
Great!
Was it super fun?
Yes.
You want to get another one?
Yeah.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye kids! So windy.
Oh no!
Oh no! Luna! Luna!
Let me wipe your...
Luna! Luna!
Oh. What is the direction?
This one is the rainbow crate. That's awesome. So normally these crates are... Ah!